Structure of your LaTeX document looks something like this. You call the document class, whatever you want to call it, either it's article, book, or report, and you begin your document and end your document. Within the begin and end document environment, you put all your research work, whereas before this environment, the section is called preamble, where you tell the LaTeX to use the specific type of packages for you, or you want to introduce a new command or whatsoever. So here is some text, and this is how it looks like. It's simply a one paragraph. I want to change this paragraph. I want make it two paragraphs, or sometimes I want to move to the next line. I want to add some mathematical expression. How we are going to do that? This video is all about this. First of all, the very first basic command is how to move to the next line in LaTeX. For that purpose, it's a very simple command. If you put double backslash, the LaTeX will automatically move the next line sentence into the next line. You want to add the paragraph. I want that public awareness needs to be enhanced regarding severe side effect. This should be a new paragraph. To start a new paragraph in LaTeX, backslash par is the command. It will solve all the indenting issues, how space should be given before starting a paragraph and all that. If you want to quote into your document, here is the command environment for your quote. Backslash begin with the quote. Put all your text, and it will be justified centered like a quote, which you see normally in the texts. So here is the quote. Now I want this inverted commas in the beginning and in the end of your document. For end of your quote, the inverted commas are simply the inverted commas, but the direction of inverted commas when we are quoting something is different. If we put this inverted comma in the beginning, it will have the same direction in the beginning and in the end. To change the direction, instead of giving the inverted comma command at the beginning of symbol, which is right above the delta key. So this is how you insert the quote in your document, LaTeX document. Next thing is I want to write some mathematical expression in my article. For that, if it is an inline mathematics, simply put a dollar sign at the beginning and ending of your mathematical expression. And it will be inline mathematics, like it won't go to the next line. And if I want it on the next line, simply you put all the mathematical expression in double dollar sign. Next important thing we commonly use is to add the footnote. But before that, how we are going to bold some text. For example, I want this pandemic word to be written in bold. So what I am going to do is that I will simply select this, go to the typeface and select bold. Now I want it in bold and italic also. I will select the text including the bold command and press the italic and typeface of your LaTeX. Next thing is adding footnote to your document. Backslash footnote. This is my first footnote. This is how you are going to add footnotes, simply by giving it the commands backslash footnote. Now sometimes I want to add URLs in my videos. So backslash URL and paste the link here. I'm simply giving it the site link. I remember. But it won't textify because to Textify backslash URL command, you need a specific package. And what that package is, we are going to introduce that in preamble section backslash use package. I'm asking LaTeX to use package. Which package? That is URL. So after these editing, now we will see how our document now looks like. Here is the document where I wanted it bold and italic, the pandemic bold and italic. I've inserted a quote. I put a new line command here. I gave it the backslash par command here. You can see the indenting. And then there is inline mathematics. This is the expression look like when it comes with the text. And new line mathematics. And I put some URL command here. So you can see the URL font is different from the other. And this is my footnote. Thank you so much for watching.